a lot so you can grow big and strong.
Huh?
Turi, are you all right? Look at my flower.
Turi's beautiful little flower has withered.
I took really good care of it.
Then why did the flower wither like that?
Well, I really don't know for sure.
Aww.
But I do know someone who could tell us why.
You do?
Yay!
Whoa! Wow! Wow!
Welcome to Granny Bowerbird's garden. She's the very best gardener around.
Then she should know what's wrong with my flower, right?
We'll see. I'll go in and get Granny Bowerbird. You chicklings wait out here.
All right.
Granny Bowerbird, are you home?
Sure am. Come on in.
Wow! That flower's really beautiful. And it smells so wonderful. Wow, it smells great.
Wow! Tomatoes and cucumbers! They look yummy! Should I turn it on? Whoa!
Oh, goodness, Jack! Jack,
I don't know how! I got it!
Hey, Chip, let's grab the hose at the same time. All right.
I thought it would never stop!
Huh?
Mommy!
Children? Huh? Chicklings, what happened?
Well, I was just playing with the hose a little and... Whoa!
Oh, no! We made a mess of the beautiful garden. Granny Bowerbird, you must be so upset. We're in big trouble.
Now, who gave my beautiful flowers and plants so much water? Well, I guess that makes you a bunch of little rascals then.
Huh? We're very sorry, Granny Bowerbird.
Plants and flowers are stronger than you may know. With a little help from you chicklings, they'll be as good as new again in no time. Well, what do you think? Should we help our little plant friends get better?
Yay!
First of all, we need to make sure all our plants are standing straight upright.
Mm-hmm.
Slide in a nice tall stick and tie the plant to it good and tight.
Oh, the cucumbers are back to standing up.
Now, why don't you give it a try?
Okay. I am sorry that we knocked you over.
But we'll stand you tall and straight again.
There, the thing to remember when you're repotting a plant is to move it gently and carefully, just like I did there.
Gently and carefully.
Gentle and careful.
Well done. Everyone did a wonderful job.
Granny Bowerbird, can you please check my flower? It hasn't been doing very well, but I don't know what's wrong.
Let me check. Looky there. I've got it. This little flower just needs to move to a bigger house.
A bigger house? Hooray! My beautiful flower's all better.
Hooray!
You little pheasants have worked very hard. And helped me make my beautiful garden all healthy again as well.
Flower, I promise that I'll take really good care of you from now on. Here, subscribe to our channel.